Are you tired of job hunting? Worry no more, because in this video, I'll show you some AI tools that will help you land your dream job in a couple of days. Try these 10 AI tools to get hired in just a matter of days. This is Ray Creator's Lab, where we discuss everything relating to AI and online tools that you can use to streamline your daily workflow. In case you are new here, kindly support me by subscribing to this channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more videos. Now, let me show you the AI tools to land your dream job. The first one on my list is Kickresume. This AI tool helps you build a professional resume quickly and effectively. The second tool is Jobscan. What this tool does it to optimize your resume to match job descriptions, thereby increasing your chances of passing through applicant tracking systems, ATS. InterviewBuddy is next on the list, and it simply provides AI-driven mock interviews to help you prepare and improve your interview skills. Let's look at the fourth tool, which is ProPhotos. ProPhotos generates professional headshots using AI, perfect for your LinkedIn profile or resume. The next tool is Wonsulting AI. This AI tool assists in job searching by matching your skills and experience with relevant job openings. CareerHub is the next tool, and what it does is offer some free AI-powered career guidance and job search support. Let's take a look at CoverDoc AI. This tool helps you write tailored cover letters for each job application. To land that dream job, you need Yoodli. Yoodli is an AI communication coach that helps you improve your speaking and presentation skills, so you don't have to worry about your speaking skills. The next tool on my list is used by almost everybody right now and has made a name for itself. The tool I'm talking about is ChatGPT. ChatGPT acts as a career assistant, helping with everything from identifying your skills to drafting resumes and cover letters. Last, but certainly not the least, is Existential. Existential creates personalized career recommendations and guides you through a roadmap to success. I'm sure you will find this video helpful. If you did, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the bell for notification. Let me know about the tool you like most in the comment section.